I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're trying to keep track of your data usage on your Giffgaff plan, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Giffgaff account. Visit the Giffgaff website and log in using your credentials. This will give you access to your account dashboard where you can view your usage details. Step 2. Navigate to My Account. Once loaded in, click on the My Account section. This is where you can find all your account-related information, including data usage. Step 3. Click on Usage. In the My Account section, look for the Usage tab. Clicking this will take you to a detailed breakdown of your data calls and texts. Step 4. Review your data usage. Here, you will see your current data usage, including how much data you have left for the month. Make sure to check this regularly to avoid any surprises. Step 5. Set up usage alerts. If you want to stay on top of your data usage, consider setting up alerts. This can be done in the settings of your account to notify you when you reach a certain limit. Remember, if you notice you're frequently hitting your data limit, you might want to consider upgrading your plan. Happy tracking!